Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you error code 43 how to fix USB device not because that. So very easy guys. Firstly click on start and type here device manager. For device manager and here option universal serial bus. So click it. After right click and click on scan for hardware change. And here you will see option USB notepad. Right click and update table. Scan automatically for device. There is. After right click on update device and click on browser my computer for device. And here option let my pick from a list available now on my computer. Click it. After USB root, click on next. And here window has successfully updated your device. So guys, this is very simple and easy but error code 43 how to fix USB device not because there is a it's very easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest. Please comment this video. Thank you for watching.